So it is Friday and I'm starting my morning off with lighting my candles. And these candles I got from Marshall's. Lighting this and trying to record at the same time is a task for whatever reason. I hate when my candle does that. Can you guys see that down there? When the wick, like the burnt part, chops off. I hate that. Anyway, so this is a sand and pause candle. I thought was pretty cool. It's supposed to like eliminate or neutralize your pet odor, which Ace really doesn't smell, you guys. I mean, he has his little doggy days or like when he first comes from outside, but nothing that's like, oh my God, I can't take it, because I guess he's small, but we still can obviously smell him. So I thought that was pretty cool. I picked that up, like I said, from Marshall's. I think this was started by 3 women, this company or this candle line. And then I got this white magnolia candle from Marshall's also, and this actually smells really good. There goes Ace ringing the bell. This elephant I got from Marshall's also, and this little faux plant I got. I'm gonna get like a circular type of tray to put everything in, but for right now this is kind of how it is looking, and I love how it looks. It goes with my theme and everything. So right now I'm just gonna have a cup of coffee. I just made me a cup of coffee. This is one of my favorite mugs. This was actually gifted to me by one of my friends a few years back. I love this mug. I don't even know if she knows that this is my favorite mug, but this is one of my favorite mugs to drink my coffee out of. And I like to sit here, you guys, on the weekends when the kids are still sleeping and have my coffee and look out at the water and just relax, kind of reflect through my day on what I need to do, what I want to do, kind of focus on what I need to work on better. So I do like to sit here with my cozy blanket. I love this blanket. Hey guys, good morning. It is Saturday and I'm so excited because I am going to be having my first Hydra-Facial today. I have to leave in about 10 minutes, but I want to jump on here and just tell you guys how excited I am about it. I've never had a Hydra-Facial before and I cannot wait. I have been wanting to do this for a long time. I actually set up an appointment to go last year, but my daughter had track and I got my dates mixed up, so I had to cancel and never reschedule. So now I'm going today, and I'm actually going with one of my good friends. We're going together, which is even more exciting. This is her first time having a Hydra-Facial also. I'm gonna try to see if they'll let me vlog in there. If they don't, it is what it is. If they do, perfect. I won't vlog the whole thing, just basically what I can. So for my skin this morning, all I did was rinse my face in warm water. No, I didn't do that. Let me backtrack. I take cotton rounds and warm them up, and then I just kind of wipe my face off very gently and then put a moisturizing sunscreen on. And I did use the Black Girl sunscreen, which I will have a review coming soon. But I used that today and that is it. So I'm excited, a little nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous, but it is nice out. Just have this white shirt on today, some distressed jeans, and I'm gonna wear my Kate Spade Keds. Just, like a regular, like an easy look today. Put my hair up and it really needs to be washed. So we're gonna make do for today. I'm gonna have me some coffee right now. And then I'm gonna head out the door. I need to actually go get my coffee really quickly. Come on, Ace. I didn't want to drink coffee before I go because coffee makes me have to pee potty. And I was thinking, if I'm laying on the table getting my facial and I have to pee in the middle, it's gonna be awful, because when I have to pee, I can't take my mind off anything. I'm like a child. I have to pee, and I'm moving like I have to pee right now. So I was debating on if I should even drink this, but I probably won't finish it, so it shouldn't really affect me. So yeah, let me finish my coffee and then I'll probably get back on when I get in the car. Hey guys, I'm here. At the spa, I just filled my paperwork out and my friend went back first, so I'm going next. But I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of the lobby area and how it looks. It's really pretty, very spa-like environment, very relaxing. So I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. Very chic. Okay guys, so I am done with my Hydra-Facial. I did not vlog it just because I left my phone on the chair and I was already laying down, and I was like, okay, just forget it. And I didn't want to get up and be like, let me get my phone, you know, and interrupt. I didn't want to do that. So it was amazing. She did a really good job. She did the extracting, and that hurt so good. And she was very nice. She was like, let me know if it hurts you, and you know, sometimes I can, you know, really get into it, but I told her, just do what you need to do. She's very informative, very sweet. So the spa I went to was Magnolia Med Spa. So if you guys live in Charlotte and you're looking for a good place to go, as far as me, you know, from my visit today, I definitely recommend. I'm gonna see her once a month so we can get my skin where I want it to be. And I think she, with her knowledge and just her, you know, making me feel comfortable about my issues with my skin, because she went through the same. When somebody goes through what you're going through, or they can understand and have that, you know, sympathy for you, because they understand, like, girl, I've been through the same thing. My skin did the exact same thing, or I was in your boat where my skin was breaking out or freaking out, or, you know, she told me that she dealt with cystic acne, so she understands my pain and what I'm going through. She also offered to, I'm looking into using another skincare brand. It's like a 3-step system, where it's a treatment, cleanser, moisturizer. But yeah, I can't wait to go back. She said it's probably best to go back once a month, stay consistent in doing this facial. Into, she's not just there, you know, slapping product on your face. She's actually into results and seeing the result of how she made your skin better. Because let me tell you, results don't lie. And so I'm excited about seeing her again. Right now I'm going to, let me stop rambling, I'm going to brunch with my friend. She also enjoyed her facial. Also, she went first and then I went second. So I'm going to brunch with her, and then I'm going to go home. I got a lot of stuff to do at home, but I'm gonna go have brunch with her, and then I'll pop back on here later on today. My gallery wall is coming together. So I have 13 8x10 picture frames that need to go up. Actually, I have 9 more that need to go up, because I've already kind of started here. The reason why it's taking me so long, it is very hard to find these like farmhouse type frames. So wherever I go, I just pick them up wherever I go. If I go somewhere to get them, there's not like, you know, a plethora, there's a few. So I went to grab these, and there were only 2 of these. I forgot where I got them from. I went to Walmart the other day. They had, Ace, you just went to the bathroom. When I went to Walmart the other day, sorry, look at my walls all scuffed up. I had a picture right here, and it got knocked over and scuffed the wall, so I need to kind of buff that out. But anyway, I went to Walmart, I saw these, I'm like, yes, and it was only 2. So I picked these up. I'm gonna go ahead and put the pictures that I want to go on here, but basically the pictures that are going up are pictures of our vow renewal, which we did last year in Hilton Head, and it was so pretty, it was beautiful. So I'm trying to get those pictures up. And yes, I did say last year. It's taken me this long to get them up because I have to have a vision of where I want things to go. This is a pretty big wall. Let me kind of stand here. It's a pretty big wall, and as you can see, I only have 4 pictures up. So this is going to be, like I said, a wall of 13 pictures. I started in the center like that just because I felt like I I can finish creating around the center. Like I needed a focal point, and this is my like focal point. It's kind of like in the shape of a cross, which I did not plan that at all, but this is just a focal point for me to just spread out all the other pictures. Okay, so I added the 2 pictures here on the end. And as you can see, they're not the same frames as the 2 in the middle, which just because the gallery wall doesn't have to be, it can be how you want it to be. You can have different frames, you know, small, big, or whatever. So I knew that going in doing this wall, I didn't want all my frames to be the exact same, which you can see the one at the bottom and the top. I wanted it to be different, and I wanted it to, you know, come together, but I wanted it to have like the farmhouse style frames, but still, you know, have some type of uniform and not uniform, if that makes any sense. So I added this picture of Travis and the boys, and then this picture of us. We recreated this picture. So when we first got married, we didn't have Kaylee yet. It was just me, Travis, and the boys. And we took this very same picture 10 years ago, which will be 11 next month. And then when we took this, and then when we did the vow renewal, the kids were like, we should recreate the original picture. So that's what we did. And I'll show you guys that picture in just a second. So this is the picture that we recreated here. Just the boys in this one. And then 10 years later, here we are again. So I thought it was really cute and a great cute idea that the kids actually paid attention to that and wanted to recreate. And then I wanted to show you guys what I cleaned the wall with. I showed you it was kind of scuffed up right here. This is what I use. It is the magic eraser, the thin eraser by Mr. Clean. I love these. All you do is wet it, erase, and toss, and that's all you literally do. It's no other hard work. You don't have to add any type of solution. You literally just wet it, wring it out, erase, and move on. So I love these. I use these all around the house because with children, if you are watching this and you have children, you know that you pretty much spend your time cleaning up after children. If you don't have children, surprise, that's what you pretty much do. You clean up after your kids. So this is perfect. So I forgot to show you guys exactly what the sheets look like. 8 sheets come in here. And as you can see, I'm down to 2. So this is what they look like. They're like really, they're basically sheets, and they're foam. So you can really, you know, scrub and get the things off. But yeah, that's how they look. To Ikea yesterday with one of my good friends and picked up just a few items. I got this set of wine glasses, which is 6 wine glasses in here. Picked up 2 sets of plates, which I really, really love, you guys. These are some good, nice, sturdy plates. Obviously, you know, these are like your, I call these cake plates because this is something I would eat a slice of cake on, a slice of pie, or some fruit, cracker, something like that. And then obviously the bigger dinner plates. But I really like these. So I got 5 each for each set. And I really was in need of these wine glasses. You guys, let me show you something really quick. So I ordered wine glasses from Macy's. So does this look like a real glass to you guys? It is not. It is a plexiglass type of wine glass. I was so mad because I thought this was like a glass, and it's not. I mean, they're cute, but I didn't want that. That's not what I was looking for. So I'm gonna open them and show you guys exactly what they look like if I can do this with one hand. But again, you get 6 wine glasses, and how pretty are these, you guys? They're big. And oh, hold on. They're nice and big, and I just love them. I'm going to wash them and put them up, but they are so cute and pretty, and it's 6. That's all I need. So I am gonna go back though, because I do want to get a few more things and maybe do like an Ikea haul. I hadn't been in forever. Okay, so my new skincare products just came in the mail. It's a 3-step system. I ordered these because I stopped using Curology. I'll explain all of that in like another video, but I ordered this 3-step system, and this was approved by my esthetician. She checked out the ingredients for me and just basically let me know that it was safe for me to use for my skin. But I'm having a really, really good feeling about this product. We're just gonna see, and I will give you guys an honest review on what it does for my skin, and definitely give you guys a full review in about 4 weeks.